Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to implement autocomplete with your text box using Windows Form application in C Sharp. So what is autocomplete? It's just like Google search. When you enter some keywords, it will suggest you some suggestions to autocomplete. So that I will show you today. How can you do that? It's a very simple auto suggest method, not really complex. So what I will do is I will take a text box and let me select this and go to the properties here, and I first want to change its font so you can see it better, bold and 12. Okay, and once again select your text box, and C Sharp Windows Form application allows you to set the properties for autocomplete. So just select this text box, go to the properties here, and you see at the top three properties: autocomplete custom source, autocomplete mode, and autocomplete source. So first what we do is we set the source for autocomplete. So there are different options in the properties like custom source, file system directories, all system source, all URL, recently used URL, history, and file system. So you can play with them. Right now I'm taking the example of custom source, so I select this custom source, and now here autocomplete mode, I can select what mode I want to use in autocomplete. So let's see what are the suggestions here. We have suggest, so it will suggest us, then it will append us, or suggest and append. So let's select first this one, suggest, and let's see what happens. And because we are using the custom source, then we need to set our custom source data. So just select this autocomplete custom source from here and select this and click this small button here, and here you can give the list of the suggestions you want to appear when I enter some text in the text box. So for example, I want to enter country list in my text box, and I want the suggestions of the country according to my typed options. So what I have is the list of countries, all list of countries. You can find it on internet easily. Just I copied all the list of the countries in this sequence one by one, and once again I go to my application here, and not this one but this one, yes. So selection string collection editor. So once again what I have done is I have selected this autocomplete custom source, and I click this button, and here I can provide my custom list. So I'm providing the list of the countries like this. So I have provided all the list of the countries, so I want the suggestions on the country list, and I click OK here. Okay, okay. So my country list is set, and now when I run the program, let me make it little bit smaller so you can see it. And now when I enter some words here, for example GE, it suggests me two countries. I can select Georgia or Germany, or for example Uganda, Ukraine, or UAE, UK, US, Uruguay, or so it will give you the suggestion according to your custom list. Okay, so you see that. So right now it's giving you the suggestions, right? Because we have set our autocompletes mode as suggest. When you select autocomplete mode as append, and now when you run the program, see what happens. So for example, it gives you all the names, it appends the names. Okay, or otherwise, for example, United, and when I press K, then it appends UK. Otherwise, when I delete it, it gives me first suggestion, or it appends first suggestion. So this is what append means. And the third suggestion for autocomplete mode, you can use it suggest and append both. Okay, so generally I suggest to use this because it will append and suggest both. And when you run the program once again, and now you enter some word, it appends the first word in the list and it gives you the suggestions. So it's doing the both the things. So in this way we can use this autocomplete properties of the text box to get the suggestions. You can play with all these different options and just see what they are all about. Maybe in the next video I will show you how to set your database value in your autocomplete custom source. Okay, right now these values which we have given are some static values, but maybe in the next video probably I will show you how to fetch the values from the database and set in this autocomplete custom source. So stay tuned and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.